friends, welcome to another video of Trading 618 system. Today I'll be putting all the bits and pieces together so you can formulate a trading system all together with that. Hope everybody is having a good weekend. I'm recording this on Sunday. So yeah, I have formulated all the rules of this trading system using these points. So I'll be showing you exactly how to follow these. This will be a thorough video, and please watch it from starting to end. Do not skip it, otherwise you might get some confusion. Okay, the first process for identifying a trend is by marking swings. As I have already showed in my previous lessons, that you need to find the swings so that you can formulate the idea that where the price is going. Is it going in uptrend or is it going in a downtrend? So this is Nifty chart. Okay, let me choose some random chart. Otherwise, this is all my watch list, which is comprising of all the FNO stocks. I mostly trade in these stocks, and out of these, I just choose 4 to 5 stocks which are having good momentum and good volatility in the recent weeks or months. So let's choose some random stock. Yes. Okay. Okay. Randomly it is Eicher Motors. No problem. Let's begin. So I'll be explaining the first part. The first point being identifying the trend by marking swings. So as you can see, the most obvious things whenever you open a price action of any chart, you need to see where the current price is, what is the highest point and what is the lowest point. So as you can see, this is the highest point, and what led to this highest point, I mean, which swing low has opened this price high point. So you can see that this was the recent sorry this was the recent low or swing low which led to this particular price high. Because if you see which was the prior high before this high, this, and which was the low which led to this high, this. So you can say that price is moving in an uptrend. It made a swing high, it made a higher low, it again made a high, new high. This is higher high. And after that, from this point, let me mark the marking for a better clarification. This is the higher low. Here, this is the higher high. Here, and just duplicating this value. This is the higher high here, and this is the higher low here. Removing these lines as of now. So you can see the first step whenever you open a chart. I'm using the 15-minute chart for. I just, as you can see, I just opened a random chart which was for Eicher Motors, and it is 15-minute chart. I usually trade on 15-minute chart. My trades may continue for a couple of days, maybe 2 3 days, but it will be mostly under a week. And sometimes I drill down to 3-minute chart. In that case, most of the trades become intraday charts. Intraday trading does not mean that you have to trade daily. This is a very major misconception. On Nifty, I only trade one single trade per day, and most of the time there is no trade. So mostly you will be seeing that I will be getting 10 to 12 trades out of a month in Nifty. But if you go to stocks, I will be trading 15-minute charts, and sometimes the trades will be spanning to a couple of days, 2 3 days, very short term trades. For long term, I do not follow large caps. I'm following small cap portfolio building process, which I will be bringing to you guys in another video. It will be a very exclusive video in which you can see how to pick the multibaggers and build a portfolio out of it. So this is my FNO trading. This is my short-term trading style. And for building a portfolio, I'll be building another video. Okay, all right. So as you can see from here to here, this particular chart was moving in a uptrend. Now many people have commented. One of the friends have commented that how to identify that higher high is to be marked here and higher high was not to be marked here or here or here or here. Simple concept with that. If a swing is moving like this, right, and if it follows a break of structure, then you can mark this high and high low, this highest high and low point. This will be your swing. So as you can see, this is a simple process. As this swing was coming down, it went up, it went down, and subsequently it moved up and broke this structure. So we can say that this particular swing to the downside was completed. So we have started to mark the swings from here. But as you can see, the same process can be followed here. It broke here. So the lowest point which led to this high is this one, right? So we'll be marking the higher low as this, right? And when we go upside, you can see the point which broke this is this point. So why have we not marked this as higher low? Because as per my rules of this mechanical system, when it went up, there was no break of structure. There is no break of structure, no break of structure, and here it broke down. It broke this structure. That means this entire swing is completed here. Very simple logic. As you practice on chart, you will be getting to know. So this swing was completed here. So this is the first step. Now, as you can see, this higher low, this higher low has again been broken to the downside, and we have created a new structure low here, new structure low here. So as per my system, Eicher Motors has moved into short time downtrend. Short time downtrend, right? So this is the first step. Whenever you open a chart of any instrument, it chart, it's stock or futures or anything. Now you need to know what exactly will be the retracement from here. If a swing has been made, it will surely retrace after some time, no matter what. As you can see, this is the retracement tool which I use, and as per my system, I always expect that the swing will be retracing back of in 90% of the cases. It will be retracing back to its mean value. Mean value means 61.8 retracement, right? So as we can see, this thing has been going down, going down, going down. Unless we see a break of structure like this, right? A break of structure like this, we will be not sure that this particular swing to the downside has been completed, right? So once this is completed, sorry, it should be new structure low. Okay. Once this is completed, right? Suppose we get it completed here, and they are, in the another trading session, this moves like this. So we will be interested in shorting this. As you can see, using our retracement tool, we'll be just getting a point of interest area. Point of interest area means we will be looking for a retracement here. Since it has made a new low, new structure low here, we will be thinking that the price should come here And once it comes here, we will be moving to the lower time frame, right? We will be moving to lower time frame. On lower time frame, again, we will be measuring 61.8 retracement. Now I'll show that example. Hmm. Okay, if you see here, right? This was a swing to the upside, right? We got retracement here. Perfect. Now, if you drill down to lower time frame, where is that? Okay. If you drill down to lower time frame, which is my third and fourth point, I'll be explaining here. You see, you do not need to trade exactly like this. Whenever the 68.1 retracement is there, you just put a buy order. It's not like that. You drill down to lower time frame and see where new structure high has been created in on the lower time frame. But here you are not getting a sufficient retracement. So you can also look to the subsequent swing. In this case, you are not getting a fill entry. I will be expecting at least 61.8. So my third and fourth point are for the system. If prices higher swings are 15-minute swings are moving up, you need to drill down to 3 minute or 5 minute, and on the lower time frame again do the same thing which you have done on the 15-minute chart. Measure it and put a fill entry or buy entry somewhere around here. So you need to put the stop loss somewhere around here, just below that, and your target will be one to one extension, or simply measure like this distance of previous 15-minute swing. This like this. So somewhere around here, right? So this will be your entire process of placing the, and yeah, fifth point is again the same, measuring the lower time frame swing low and putting a SL just below the minor swing low, which is this here. Minor swing low. If you are getting a fill here, suppose, then you will be putting the SL just below the swing low. In this case, you will be making a very high risk reward, more than 3 4 times or even more than that. Now, what exactly do we follow the trade management mechanism? For trade management, whenever you see that you reach this point, or you reach, your previous high point, whatever it is, you put your stop loss just here. Suppose you purchased here, went long, you put your stop loss just above it, plus 2 3 points according to the price of the chart. Then it will be a no loss trade for you. Now there are two things. One is this is a simple step. Another can be you open with respect to this high. This for your small swing. So if price crosses this high, you can put the stop loss to break even with respect to this smaller swing. This will be aggressive trailing. But if you are not doing some aggressive trailing, you can put whenever the price is reaching the 15-minute high. So these are the 2 points where trade management can be done. Now let's look at the target point. Target point, as I have already shown, it is simple measurement of one-to-one swing, or you can do something like this as well. So it will come 127 extension of that swing, like this. It will come 127 extension of previous swing. So this is how targeting will be done, right? Okay, this is the break even step, and yeah, for aggressive trailing, you need to put the break even when you are reaching the previous high, smaller high, this one. So this is all the steps which are followed, a simple mechanical steps which you follow for taking the long positions. If you open 15-minute trade on a 15-minute time frame, Your trades may span to couple of days, maybe 2 3 days, 4 days, but mostly it won't go beyond a week, in my general opinion, what I have seen so far from many years. But many times I have seen that whenever you open a position on a lower time frame, like you see on 3 minute time frame, it goes up, new structure high, and it comes down, new structure low. You will be attaining this trade and target mostly into intraday, right? So these are all the steps which can be, reversed for the short trade as well. The exact same steps can be used to go short whenever you see this system. Now, one more thing, there was a comment from one of the friends that how can you go to the counter trend trade? Now, I will give you example. Now, as you can see for Eicher Motors in the latest swing, this is the complete swing to the downside, and I am expecting a retracement to 61.8. Now, since this is a very large swing, the retracement can take 2 3 days, or even more than that, depends on the price. So what you can do whenever you see smaller swings like that, you see it has made a new structure high here. You can open a position just in the opposite direction. These are less probability trades because we are going against the trend, right? So you can open a long position here like that. You can open a long position at 61.8. You will be having very small, a small SL, and you can target this area here. You will be getting more than 2 hour trade, and you can keep doing this until price moves into your area of opportunity, this point of interest. Here you will be seeing something like this, and once it aligns to the major swing, you short here, you short here, put your SL here, and your target will be extremely big. Your target will be extremely big. So this way you can make your trades and adjust as per the time frame and the retracement. So this is all points which I have formulated for the entire system. Please go through it, watch the video couple of times, 2 3 times, until you are not getting all the points as clear. So if you are having any question, queries, please do post in the comment section. I'll be reading those. I read mostly all the comments, and I'll be replying back surely. So this is it for my trading system, putting it all together. And yeah, thank you for watching and happy trading. Thank you.